Hello, my name is Cole Peterson, and today we'll be looking at does the shape of a particle matter? This research has been done by Western New England University in part with Florida International University. This research is supported by the National Science Foundation. To start, we will look at these simulations to help us determine if shape does matter. Today, I will be introducing the concept of morphology. But first, we must start and look at what we already know. A given particle can be described by surface area, volume, and length, which cannot describe the angularity of a particle. Morphology is a concept created to describe the angularity of a three-dimensional particle. Morphology is the relationship between surface area, volume, and length for a given particle relative to a sphere. The mathematical representation of morphology can be described as the surface area of a particle multiplied by the minimum circumscribing diameter of a particle, divided by the volume of a particle multiplied by 6. Now, we will be comparing two different particles, the Snub Dodecaheron, which is very sphere-like, and the Tetrahedron, which is also known as a triangular pyramid. As you can see, the Snub Dodecaheron resembles a sphere, whereas the tetrahedron is much more angular. The morphology of a sphere is 1, and you can see that the morphology of the Snub Dodecaheron is very close to 1, being 1.0562, and the morphology of the tetrahedron is 3. In both simulations, each simulation contains 1,000 particles of single unit volume and of identical spacing. We will now see how angularity affects the mechanical properties of the particles together. After viewing the simulation, it can be seen that the tetrahedron has a higher pile than the snub dodecaheron. We believe this is due to angularity, and we believe that this can be translated into the strength of the particles together. We would like to apply this concept to aggregate, which can be applied in soils and in concrete. To summarize what we have learned today, we can say that morphology is a way to describe the angularity of a three-dimensional particle. We can also say that the angularity of a particle does impact the mechanical properties of that particle. So we can say in conclusion that shape does matter. I would like to thank you for watching this video.